Hi children, this is Mrs. Saranya, Department of Mathematics from Mount Zion Matriculation Higher Secondary School. In this session, we are going to see 7th Standard Mathematics. Chapter 1, Integers, Topic, Division of Integers. In this session, we are going to cover the topics are closure property of division, commutative property of division, associative property of division, zero property, identity property and division property. Next, dividing integers rules. The quotient of two integers with like signs is positive. Like signs means same sign. Two integers also same sign. Plus divided by plus equal plus. Minus divided by minus equal plus. Next, the quotient of two integers with unlike signs is negative. Unlike signs mean different signs. One integer is positive, another one is negative. Plus divided by minus equal minus. Minus divided by plus equal minus. Division la same symbol vandaduna answer positive la varum. Different symbol vandaduna answer negative la varum. Next, division. Division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Let us consider minus 5 into 7 equal minus 35. In multiplication, different sign minus into plus minus 5 sevens are 35 minus 35. This is multiplication. This multiplication fact can be written as two division facts. First one is minus 35 divided by 7 equal minus 5. In division, different sign minus divided by plus equal minus. 35 divided by 7 equal 5. So, answer is minus 5. Next one is minus 35 divided by minus 5 equal 7. In division, same sign minus divided by minus equal plus. 35 divided by 5 equal 7. So, the answer is plus 7. So, division is called inverse operation of multiplication. Next, to divide integers with like sign. Like sign means same sign. For example, minus 8 divided by minus 2. First number is called dividend. Second number is called divisor. First, divide these two numbers as usual. Minus and minus gets cancelled out. Here the common factor is 2. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So the answer is 4. Next, to divide integers with unlike sign. Unlike sign means different sign. For example, minus 8 divided by 2. Here, different sign. Divide these two numbers. Here, the common factor is 2. We can divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So, answer is minus 4. In division, different sign. So, answer in negative minus 4. Properties of division of integers. closure property of division, commutative property of division, associative property of division, zero property, identity property, division of an integer by itself. First property is closure property. The sum of any two integers is an integer. The difference of any two integers is an integer. The product of any two integers is an integer. So, integers are closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now we are going to check integers closed or not closed under division. Two integers divide பண்ணும் பொழுது answer integer வருதான்னு check பண்ண போறோம். Let us consider a equal 6, b equal 2. A divided by b. 6 divided by 2. The answer is 3. Here 6 is an integer, 2 also an integer. That answer 3 also an integer. It is an integer. Let us see one more example. A equal 5, b equal 2. A divided by b. 5 divided by 2. The answer is 5 by 2. Here 5 is an integer, 2 also an integer, but the answer 5 by 2, it is not an integer. If a and b are any two integers, then a divided by b may not always be an integer. First example la answer integer vandadu. Second example la answer integer varla. So a divided by b may not always be an integer. So integers are not closed under division. Next property is commutative property. The sum of any two integers remains the same even if the order is changed. The product of any two integers remains the same in whichever order they are multiplied. If the order of subtraction of integers is changed, the answer changes. So, addition and multiplication is commutative for integers. Subtraction is not commutative for integers. Now we are going to check commutative property is hold good or not hold good for division of integers. Two integers divide பண்ணும் பொழுது வர ஆன்சரும் அதையே ஆர்டர் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி டிவைட் பண்ணும் பொழுது வர ஆன்சரும் சேமா வருதான்னு செக் பண்ண போறோம். Let us consider a equal -9 and b equal -3. இப்போ என்ன செக் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னா a divided by b equal b divided by a. A -9 divided by b -3. This is in LHS side, left hand side. Next RHS side, order change பண்ணி write பண்ண போறோம். b divided by a. b -3 divided by a -9. First LHS side, -9 by -3 equal RHS side, -3 by -9. Here in LHS side, first minus and minus gets cancelled out. In RHS side also, minus and minus gets cancelled out. In LHS side, the common factor is 3. So, we can divide these two numbers by 3. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So the answer in LHS equal 3. 3 by 1. So 3. Next, RHS side, also the common factor is 3. So we can divide by 3 both the numbers. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. In RHS side answer is 1 by 3. So 3 and 1 by 3 is not equal. If A and B are any two integers, then A divided by B is not equal B divided by A. So, commutative property does not hold good for division of integers. Next property is associative property. The sum and product of any three integers remains the same even if the order in which they are grouped. Addition, multiplication is associative for integers. Subtraction is not associative for integers. Now we are going to check associative property hold good or not hold good for division of integers. 3 integers group change பண்ணி நம்ம divide பண்ணும் பொழுதும் answer equal வருதான்னு check பண்ண போறோம். Let us take A equal minus 15, B equal 7, C equal 3. Associative property means A divided by B divided by C equal A divided by B divided by C. First take LHS side. A minus 15 divided by B 7 divided by C 3. First simplify the bracket part. Minus 15 divided by 7 by 3. In next step, division symbol, multiply symbol change ஆகணும். Change ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா divisionக்கு அப்புறம் உள்ள நம்பருக்கு நம்ம reciprocal form write பண்ணணும். Reciprocal form அப்படின்னா interchange its numerator and denominator. Denominator goes to up, numerator come down. 7 by 3 mean 3 by 7. So minus 15 into 3 by 7. Next divide பண்ண முடியுமான்னு பாருங்க. Numeratorையும் denominatorையும் divide பண்ண முடியுமான்னு பாருங்க. Here no common factor. So multiply the whole number and the numerator. Minus 15 into 3 minus 45 by place the same denominator. So answer is minus 45 by 7. Next take RHS side. A minus 15 divided by B 7 divided by C 3. First simplify the bracket part. Minus 15 by 7 divided by 3. In next step, division symbol, multiply symbol change ஆகணும். அப்படின்னா next உள்ள நம்பருக்கு நம்ம reciprocal form write பண்ணணும். After the division symbol. Division symbolக்கு அப்புறம் உள்ள நம்பருக்கு தான் நம்ம reciprocal form write பண்ணணும். So minus 15 by 7 into what is the reciprocal of 3? 3 mean 3 by 1. So reciprocal of 3, 1 by 3. Minus 15 by 7 into 1 by 3. Here the common factor is 3. So we can divide by 3 both minus 15 and 3. 1 3 is 3. 5 3s are 15. So minus 5 by 7. RHS side answer is minus 5 by 7. LHS is not equal RHS. Minus 45 by 7 is not equal minus 5 by 7. LHS is not equal RHS. If A, B and C are any three integers, then A divided by B divided by C is not equal A divided by B divided by C. So, associative property does not hold good for division of integers. Next, zero property. Division. 0 divided by any non-zero integer is 0. நியூமரேட்டர்ல 0வும் டினாமினேட்டர்ல எந்த ஒரு நம்பரும் வந்தது அப்படின்னா always answer 0 தான் வரும். 0 divided by a equal 0. For example, 0 divided by 4 equal 0. 0 divided by 100 equal 0. 0 divided by 1000 equal 0. So, 0 divided by any non-zero integer is 0. Next, a divided by 0, it's not defined. Numeratorல நம்பரும் denominatorல 0வும் வந்துடுச்சு அப்படின்னா it's not defined. For example, 4 divided by 0, it's not defined. 40 divided by 0, it's not defined. Next, identity property. If a is an integer, then a divided by 1 equal a. எந்த ஒரு இன்டீஜரையும் 1ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா அதே இன்டீஜர் தான் ஆன்சரா வரும். Example, 7 divided by 1 equal 7. Minus 15 divided by 1 equal minus 15. So, if a is an integer, then a divided by 1 equal a. 1 divided by a, it's not equal a. Example, 1 divided by 7. The answer is 1 by 7 is not equal 7. So, a divided by 1 is not equal 1 divided by a. There is no identity element of division. Next, division property. Division of any integer by itself is 1. எந்த ஒரு இன்டீஜரையும் சேம் இன்டீஜரால டிவைட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா ஆன்சர் 1 தான் வரும். a divided by a equal 1. For examples, 8 divided by 8 equal 1. Minus 7 divided by minus 7 equal 1. So, division of an integer by itself is 1. Reminder, the quotient of two integers with like signs is positive. The quotient of two integers with unlike signs is negative. Integers are not closed under division. Commutative property does not hold good for division. Associative property does not hold good for division. 0 divided by a equal 0 and a divided by 0 equal not defined. Division of an integer by itself is 1. No identity element for division. Thank you.